Hello my friends, this is Carla from Craftsy Carla. Today we are going to be doing a small project. I am using this beautiful green from Dixie Belle. The name is Good To. Let's go ahead and paint our wood with this beautiful green. While my background is drying, I am going to use my IOD mold from Decoupage Central. It's a beautiful sunflower mold, silicone mold that you can use with any project you have in mind. I will be posting the link for this specific mold in comments. Now I am going to apply my dark brown glaze all over my wood. I'm gonna let it sit for a few seconds and then I'm going to clean all the background and the edges of my wood. Now it's time to glue our sunflower mold. Make sure you use a strong glue to hold your mold for a long time. So I recommend the wood glue. I recommend the stick fast also, Gorilla Glue. Any glue you like it, please use it. Now I'm going to get my metallic gold and I'm going to paint my sunflower. I want to make sure I paint the edges, so make sure you do that as well. Before I apply my dark wax, I'm gonna get some of my clear wax around my sunflowers and around my wood. Now it's time for me to apply my dark black wax. I'm doing it around my sunflower and I'm gonna be doing as well around my wood. Now it's time to use our stencils from Essential Stencils, and I'm going to tape around my wood to make sure my stencil doesn't move, and I'm going to start dabbing until I get the style I want. My friend, I hope you like this project. I hope I inspire you tonight. Leave me a comment and thanks for watching.